When your computer can no longer serve its purpose, you need to dispose it. There are many ways of doing this. However, the best solution is to have it recycled. This ensures that it does not harm the environment. It is easy to find firms that do computers recycling in Austin. There are many sites well spread out in this area. There are several options that you should consider when disposing your machine. It is better to recycle a machine than to dump it. This option gives it another purpose. If you throw away machines, they are likely to harm the environment. Some components are hazardous when they leak to the atmosphere. There are plenty of recycling centers where you can take your old computer. Once it is not able to function properly, you can also send it back to the manufacturer. Giving it to charity is another option that you can explore. Functional parts can be used in other machines. This saves a lot of money. Recycling centers break down the parts that are unusable and they are used in other fields such as construction. The parts can be used to create countertops by mixing them with other aggregates after they have been crushed. Some parts are also mixed with concrete to create floor materials. There are many uses of the unusable parts once they are crushed. This reduces the amount of waste products that goes into landfills and thus helps to keep the environment clean. Before you consider taking your computer to be disposed, you need to confirm that no one else wants to use it anymore. Ensure that it is not possible to upgrade it. Package it properly so that no broken pieces are left out and no leakages are noted. Look for the nearest recycling center after you have packaged the machine properly. Not all sites that recycle machines take PCs. Confirm before you start the journey. Use the internet to find centers that are close to where you live. You can also inquire from the manufacturers and PC dealers. Other than recycling centers, e-waste programs also accept old machines and do proper disposal. Use the internet to find such programs. They usually post information on how to package your computer so that you can ship it without leakages. Details on how to reuse and recycle your old machine are also available on the internet. If you have parts that can be used, it is advisable to look for firms that salvage such items on the web. Use reviews to identify firms that proper disposal system. It is important to have backup when you are using a computer. This helps when the computer gets damaged. Before giving out your machine for disposal, ensure that you wipe out all the information and data from the hard drive. You can use software to erase all the data on your hard drive. Finding companies that do computers recycling in Austin is not hard. All you need is to do a little research. You can ask the recyclers to erase data for you. However, it is advisable to delete everything by yourself.